Let's talk about love, like you and me all night, and let's talk about love, and feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me, with everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I have a biscuit. Who wants it? It's leftover from Journey. Anyway, I'm gonna feed the goats real quick. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. It is Friday. It is 3:06 and I just come downstairs. I turned my heat press on and fired up this one. I don't know if I'm going to use that one. I don't know. I don't know what I'm actually working on. I know I have to make one, which is a headband. But other than that, I do have, I have orders to work on, but my next orders aren't supposed to ship out. I think I have one that's supposed to ship out on Monday. But Monday's a holiday, so I want to see if I can get that done. If I have the stuff to make it. I don't know. I think it's an apron. And for whatever reason in my mind, I am waiting on aprons to arrive. I had to order some off Amazon because the place I've been ordering, well, you know the deal I had with the stained up ones, so I don't actually use them anymore. Those were the last, that was the last straw because it has happened before, and I've had issues with them as far as like colors go. It's called Chef Skin, ChefSkin, ChefSkin. Like, I ordered like medium and small aprons and there were just two different shades of purple, and somebody ordered them. Actually, somebody ordered. Anyway, I had issues, people complaining these don't match. I ordered hot pink and the color that showed up was like between a burgundy and a, I wouldn't even call it a raspberry, but it was like, you know, it was like this. It was darker than this color. I think I probably did take a picture of it, but I probably have a hard time finding it. Anyway, so I told them, like, I can't use this color, because if I send somebody this color and tell them it's hot pink, they're going to be like, you're blind, because it's not. So anyway, regardless. Yeah, so I had to order some aprons off from Amazon to fulfill the one order I have to make it. So I think I'm waiting on that. And honestly, I don't think it's supposed to be in until Monday. And the order's supposed to ship out Monday, so I don't know. So I finished 2 aprons and then made my headband, but I'm gonna have to remake it. I missed a stop. Well, so here they are. It's a headband, right? I went to go put it on, but I didn't. I mean, I guess I could probably stitch that with a sewing machine. I don't even know. I think at this point, I think I'm just going to remake it, unless I have an extra one. Because occasionally, when I make these, sometimes the felt piece on the back doesn't cover the whole thing, because I misjudge or whatever, make a mistake. So sometimes, because I make them in a set, so sometimes I have one that turned out right, one that didn't, and then I just end up making a new set, so then I just kind of keep my, you know, the ones that turned out. So if I do have one of these upstairs, I will use it. If not, it takes like probably 15 minutes to remake them. Did you go potty? Good job. She's been doing so good. So good. High five, sister. She got her a bag of kinetic sand today for using the potty. We're gonna head upstairs, but I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna post the video that I filmed yesterday. I already edited it and uploaded it, and I just watched it. So I'm gonna go ahead and post that. And it's almost 6 o'clock, so I don't know if we're gonna do some takeout or something for dinner. We'll figure that out here in a little bit. And then after we come home, I'll package up these.
Can I help you?
I'm gonna go upstairs right now, and I will remake these and package up what I've got made, and I might work on a couple more.
Can I help you do it?
Tonight you can. I'm not gonna do it right now.
Ooh, wow, there's wind. Ah.
And then, yeah, I've been straightening up, so I got my table declutterized. It looks so much better.
Look at that wings. Look, I grabbing. Well,
I need to do something with my crazy hair. Yeah.
So
Is that sissy? Anyway. Hey guys, it is now 8:16. We ended up getting takeout from the clock for dinner. It was good, but it is getting cold outside. Cold. It's supposed to snow tomorrow night. So, is it gonna snow tomorrow night?
Tomorrow evening, you can look for rain and snow, with temperatures around 33 degrees Fahrenheit.
How much snow will we get on Sunday?
Snow is in the forecast for Campobello on Sunday, January 16th. You can expect about 7.7 inches.
Anyway, so I am firing. I'm gonna go ahead and do the headband. Uh-oh, Journey's crying. I'm gonna do the headband on this one.
My dollars.
I don't know what she did. What happened?
I spilled over my coat and it hurt my
You
toe.
skint up your toe.
Yeah, my big nose.
No, it's your... It's Billy White. Billy White got skinned up.
I'm sorry. I don't know. I think she was jumping with that necklace.
Oh my goodness, how'd your pants get so dirty? You have to go pee? Make sure you don't pee your pants. Anyway, yeah, so I'm firing that guy up out there. And I'm gonna do some, I think I'm gonna do something out there, and I'm gonna work on this in here, and then, I don't know how much I'm actually gonna work on. I don't know. I might just work, and then I might just make some samples. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at the fabrics. Wow. Snow's falling down.
Do you like steak fries?
Yeah.
Do you like steak fries? Do you like green beans?
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I don't think I started it, but we went to Cracker Barrel. You gotta go potty?
Guys in a box.
Well, do you gotta go potty?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So, This is my purchase at Cracker
Mom,
Barrel.
can you
And you
do
got
it now?
in a minute and listen. Anyway, so it's Saturday night. It's 5:59 p.m. It's supposed to snow around midnight. When we were going up to Cracker Barrel, it was actually snowing when we got to the top of the mountain. And we drove through a little bit of snow and then it stopped, but it was still exciting. I picked this up at Walmart. It is a...
Can I do it? It's so late.
Yeah, you can do it. It's a 4T. I think it's a... It's a girls. I don't really know. Glasses would help. Has a G. GTB F216. I'm gonna guess it's a girls. I don't know. Anyway, it's just a white long sleeve shirt. I figured it was on clearance for $2.50. I figured it'd be good to make Journey a sample
It's
on.
turning TV on and everything.
Okay, I'm back. So I got this shirt to make a sample on. I don't know what kind of sample I will make, but I ordered shirts from Angela and they should be in, I think Monday. I think, I'm not positive. So a lot of my orders are gonna be waiting on that. Although I did get, I mean, I can work on some. I did get my, I'll go grab it. Okay. I think this is it. I ordered it off from Amazon. It comes from World Widener. I mean, everybody has their own, you know, stabilizers and stuff that they like to use. Some people prefer tearaway. I use both tearaway and cutaway, but I use mainly this cutaway on shirts. But if I do like aprons, I use the tearaway. And I got this. I'm not sure what this is. I know. I got envelopes. I keep them on underneath my table. I have some of those plastic drawers, and so there's like a little gap between the plastic drawers and the table, so I just stuck them on top. And here's some more. So I ordered, I think probably 40 of them, I think. And the first time I ordered them, they sent me like ones for like envelopes, like an envelope size one. And I'm like, what? And I'm pretty sure the size on there was like 12 by 9 or 12.5 by 9. I don't know. Something got messed up. But luckily they only sent me 4 envelopes instead of 4 packs of 10. So it was just really weird because I'm like, alright, I don't need these. Anyway, so I have about 9 ribbon trims. I've got 2 already cut and started. Not started, but one started. And that is the 12-month one. I've got all of the white, all of the pink, yellow, and green sewn on. So I have to do the blue and the purple. And that one will be all sewn. And then a size 8 to go with the shirt I already made that's up here. And then I went ahead and cut all of my other ones here, which there are, I think, 7 of them. It'd be funny if this was an order for one. Nope. I was gonna say, gotta make another one. Throw another one on. No. Okay, so they're all here. And I separated. So we should have, this should be a 3T. I separated 3T, 4T, 5, 6, and 8. And I put them in order. So they should all be here. 8 should be on the bottom. So this is all of the tulle for the urban trims. So I think I'm just gonna start sewing on these, and after, I don't know how many I'm gonna get through. I'm just gonna start sewing on them. I don't think I'm going to embroider anything out. I say that, I might, I don't know. I do got my orders here. I printed off more of my shipping, my invoices. I'm hoping I didn't overlap any. I wonder when this was, Merry Christmas. Hope you get to see you soon. I wonder when this was placed. I think it's kind of funny that people still send Christmas presents in January. Anyway, what I was laughing at is this. So this is a gift receipt. I'm sure it'll be fine that I show you guys, because it's not really showing anything other than I want you guys to see that there's a female farmer fried egg. It says to Blair, female farmer question mark fried egg, with lots of L heart VE Mimi. For Brooke, female farmer fried egg with lots of L heart VE from Mimi. So I'm pretty sure they put in emojis or something, and you know it's not gonna show that on here. Anyway, so I think I'll get sewing and go from there. And if it starts snowing, I'll show you guys. I almost forgot that I wanted to just show you guys. So if you follow my channel, you know that I am on cyclosporin. Is that what it's called? Something, you know, Neural. It's the name, the generic name for Neural. Anyway, it lowers your immune system because I have an autoimmune disorder, so I have to be on that so my body basically doesn't attack my fingers. So I haven't been taking it since basically New Year's Eve, when my husband started to not feel well, and I thought, well, maybe I shouldn't take it because whatever he's got, you know, my body's gonna have to fight off, and if it is COVID, I definitely can't take it. I cannot take this medication. They told me, if you get sick, do not take this medication. If you get COVID, don't take it. So that is one of the reasons why because somebody had commented that why would I even test knowing my husband had it, and why should I take a test? Well, number one, I paid for the test, so I might as well take the test, right? And that's the reason why I bought it, was for myself to take. But number two is if I had COVID, I cannot take the medication. I cannot take this stuff, and I have to be off it for, I have to call them because I know they don't want you to be on it if you have it, if you think you have it. They just don't want you. It lowers your immune system. The medicine does. So number one, I needed to know whether or not I had it. If I had a cold, you can stop taking it for a while, and then you can take, you know, you can stop it, and then you know, and when you felt well again, go ahead and take it again. But if you have COVID, they don't want you to take, they want you to stop taking it immediately, which I already did, but to stay off it till your body recovers fully, because it can take you some time to get over COVID. You can have some lingering side effects, you know. So that is one of the reasons why, is because I had to know, because I can't take this medicine, the Neoral. If you look it up, it has like a lot of side effects, but I have been taking it for a while, and it does me. I've tried other different ones. I tried one other one and it didn't work out. I still have some of that in the cabinet too, but it gave me an upset stomach. The other stuff did. And I can't be on this stuff. I think she was gonna switch me off when I go see her next, which was supposed to be on January 3rd. But because my husband was sick, I didn't go. It got postponed, and now it's January 20th, which I don't know if she's going to want to see me or not. I'll have to call and find out and see what she wants me to do. So far, I've just been using my cream on my fingers, but I just want to show you guys how bad it is getting because I haven't been taking my medicine. It's not going to show. Okay. So I've got a lot going on there. I've got a lot going on my pinkies, and this finger, and my thumb, and so far, and just a little bit on that finger. So this is just 2 weeks of not taking my medication. It hurts. It hurts. I don't miss this at all, you guys. When it first started to, you know, I think the very first spot was on my thumb, and it just blistered and festered up so bad. It looks really good right now because I put a Band-Aid over top of the medicine and wore it all day yesterday. You okay? Yeah? Anyway, so yeah, just that's why, because I'm on, you know, I have other health issues that I have to take care of. But yeah, I'm going to go sew these now. Wish me good luck.
Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.